Motocross dreams start here. Designed for the discriminating Minamoto racer with dreams of victory, the YZ65 is the perfect first step into the victory zone. Built to win just like its bigger YZ siblings, the compact YZ65 is ready to tackle the track right out of the gate, featuring Yamaha's world-renowned off-road performance, quality, and durability. The 65cc's two-stroke engine features the legendary Yamaha power valve system IPS, a mechanical power valve system that delivers a broad spread of power and torque across the entire RPM range. With a strong steel frame and adjustable front and rear suspension, the YZ65 offers riders the traction, confidence, and tunability of full-size motocross machines in a compact package. The 65cc's two-stroke power plant features the same advanced technologies found in Yamaha's race-winning YZ1-5 and YZ-50 motocrossers. With a carefully tuned Hitachi Astemo Kihin PWK28 carburetor to meter fuel flow, the proven reed valve induction improves acceleration and throttle response across the entire power band. Patented IPS combines crisp bottom-end torque with potent mid-range and free revving top end, making the most of the compact engine and lightweight chassis. 6-speed, close-ratio transmission optimizes gear ratios for maximum performance, giving riders the right gear for every race condition. Digital CDI system delivers precise spark and monitors engine speed to ensure optimal timing for excellent response. Compact radiator delivers maximum cooling efficiency even in the toughest racing conditions. The YZ65 offers light, neutral handling built on a strong steel cradle frame. Designed around the rigidity balance required for the 65cc's class, this frame delivers excellent bump absorption in the roughest track sections, jump landings, and whoop sections. Removable aluminum rear subframe is constructed of square section tubing for reduced weight and convenient maintenance, just like the full-size motocross bikes. Up front, a 36mm kib coil spring fork offers excellent compliance with settings based on Yamaha's extensive testing experience. Out back, a linkless shock design is light and compact and works through a swing arm with ease 1-5 style chain adjusters. Both front and rear suspension systems are tunable for both rebound and compression damping. Wave-style brake rotors are lighter than conventional rotors and have that full-size YZ family style. Maxxis MaxCross SI tires offer good grip across a variety of track conditions, utilizing 610014 front and 810012 rear tire sizes. With a 4-position adjustable aluminum handlebar clamp, adjustable clutch and front brake levers, grippy foot pegs, and long seat design to help riders move across the bike, the YZ65 is highly tunable to fit riders of various sizes. The YZ65 may be the smallest member of the family, but it packs in the same aggressive styling as the larger YZ and YZ F siblings, even down to the slick blue Excel wheels.